Hello K2, this is Teacher Aloha and welcome back to our Healthy Habits class. Our lesson for today is still about the three basic food groups. They are come on, say it with teacher, go foods, grow foods, and glow foods. We are already finished with go foods and grow foods. So today, we are going to learn about the last food group, which is the glow foods. Everybody say glow foods. Glow foods are foods that supplies our body with vitamins and minerals to keep our body healthy and prevent us from getting sick. Glow foods also make our skin glow, our hair shine, and our eyes bright. So now, maybe you are curious what are the foods that are included in the glow foods group. First, we have the fruits. Everybody say fruits. All fruits are included in the group of glow foods. Fruits like apple, avocado, oranges, banana, strawberry, papaya, grapes, pineapple, and mango are all fruits and they are all considered as glow foods. Aside from fruits, vegetables are also glow foods. Examples of vegetables are cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, spinach, celery, and carrots. They are all vegetables and are all included in the glow foods. Now kids, let's review. This food group makes your hair shiny. Is it go foods, grow foods, or glow foods? Can you shout out your answer? Very good. The food group that make your hair shiny is glow foods. How about this? This food group makes your bones strong. Is it grow foods, go foods, or glow foods? Shout out your answer. Grow foods, very good. Now, which one is a glow food? Is it egg, broccoli, or bread? Which one is a glow food? Shout out your answer or you can point it on your screen. What is your answer? Broccoli, very good. Vegetables are glow foods. Now, how about this? Which one is a glow food? Pasta, apple, pork. Which one is glow food? Shout out your answer. Very good. Apple is glow food because glow foods are fruits. Now, lastly, let's check this out. Which one is a glow food? Carrots, rice, fish. Point it on your screen. Very good. Carrots are considered glow foods. Well done, K2. Activity instruction is posted in your Class Dojo Study Activity Portfolio. Remember to always eat fruits and vegetables to be healthy. I'll see you again next time. Bye!